Again, I'm working on my Gazelle Winterbeater bicycle, and this time I'm going to install a generator front wheel instead of a dynamo. But currently the bicycle still has both, so it's the perfect time to compare the dynamo with the generator front wheel. A bit like I did in a video a while back, where I compared the drag on these generator hubs. For my first test, I'm going to spin this wheel as fast as I can without the lights being on. Here we go. And currently we're having a bit of a storm. Not sure how much of that will be picked up by the camera. It stopped, and I will edit in the time it took for the wheel to come to a complete halt. Let's try this again. I'm hoping that a large alder tree next door will survive the storm. That wasn't very impressive. Again. Last autumn we removed a large oak tree next door. That was even closer to the barn. I'm glad that one is gone. This SRAM hub isn't very impressive. Now we'll hook up the dynamo and do another test. So for this next test I had to move the camera so you can see the light reflecting on the door. And the light is coming from that Chinesium LED light bulb that I installed a few weeks ago. Here we go. Well, that wasn't very impressive, and the wheel stopped in a second or two, maybe even less. I'll repeat this test a few times. Yep, lots of whining noise. Next I'm going to hook up that SRAM iLight front hub. Of course I need to take off the dynamo. Here we go. Well, the wheel kept spinning longer than with the dynamo, but this hub also made a bit of a noise and didn't spin that very long. Again. The light is also strobing a lot. It's flashing like an ambulance. Well, that wasn't a very impressive shit show, but at least it should tell you that these old school dynamos, they cause a whole lot of drag. Perhaps it is time to just admit defeat and install a battery operated light. But yeah, who likes defeat? Not me.